Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone and good morning Miss Nikmatuni Ayah SA MSI AKT as a lecturer in research methodology course. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Dibaga Saputra from the AK3C class of Semarang State Polytechnic, majoring in accounting, D3 accounting study program which will present the result of the final project proposal with the title of preparing the ex-cooperative cash flow report in 2023. The structure of presentation is first, background, second, formulation of the problem, third, literature review, 4. Research objective, 5. Benefit of research, 6. Research method, 7. Writing systematic, and the last is activity schedule. The background of the research is, every year, the ex-cooperative is required to hold an annual member meeting at least once a year as described in Law No. 25 of 1992 concerning Cooperative Article 26 Paragraph 1. In the member meeting, the management is required to submit an annual accountability report, one of which is a financial statement such as a balance sheet, calculation of operating results, statement of change in equity, cash flow statement, and notes to financial statement. During its operation, the ex-cooperative has prepared all financial statements except the cash flow statement, while the cash flow statement has an important role for an entity. The cash flow statement, the ex-cooperative can describe cash inflow and outflow in the detail from operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities, as well as to find out how much the net increase or decrease in cash from all activities during the current period, and the balance held by the cooperative until end of the period. Given the importance of cash flow statement for cooperative and in the presentation of financial must be complete, it is necessary to prepare a cash flow statement for the ex-cooperative. The problem formulation of this research is A. How to prepare a cash flow statement for the ex-cooperative in 2023 using the direct method. B. How is the calculation of free cash flow and analysis of the cash flow statement of the ex-cooperative in 2023? First, the definition of a cooperative is a business entity consisting of individual or cooperative legal entity by basing its activities on cooperative principle as well as a people economic movement based on family principle. Second, the purpose of cooperative is to promote the welfare of members in particular and society in general and to participate in building the national economic order in order to create an advantage. This and the purpose society based on Pancasila and the 1945 Constitution. Third, the principle of cooperative are A. Membership is voluntary and open. B. Management is conducted democratically. C. The distribution of the remaining result of operation is carried out fairly in proportion to the amount of business service of each member. D. Provision of limited return on capital. E. Independent. F. Cooperative education. G. Cooperative between cooperative. 4. The form of cooperative are primary cooperative and secondary cooperative. 5. The type of cooperative are saving and loan cooperative, consumer cooperative, producer cooperative, marketing cooperative, and service cooperative. 6. A cooperative equity is the difference between the total wealth of a business entity and its total debt. This means that equity is the net worth of the business entity. Cooperative capital comes from own capital and loan capital. 1. According to the Statement of Financial Accounting Standard No. 2, the definition of financial statement is a structural presentation of the financial position and financial performance of an entity. The purpose of financial statement is to provide information about an entity's financial position, financial performance, and cash flow that is useful to most users of the statement in making economic decisions. 2. According to the regulation of the Minister of Cooperative and SMEs of the Republic of Indonesia No. 12 of 2015, the component of the financial statement are the balance sheet, calculation of result of operation, statement of change in equity, cash flow statement, and notes to the financial statement. 1. The definition of cash flow statement is a report that presents information about cash inflow and outflow and cash equivalent for a certain period. The cash flow statement reports cash receipt, cash disbursement, and net change in from operating, investing, and financing activities during the report period. 2. Based on Statement of Financial Accounting Standard Number 2, cash consists of cash on hand and demand deposit. Cash equivalent are short-term, highly liquid investments that are immediately convertible into cash in a determinable amount and have an insignificant risk of change in value. 3. The main purpose of the statement of cash flow is to provide relevant information about a company's cash receipt and cash payment during a period. The information contained in the statement of cash flow will help investor, creditor, and other parties in assessing A. The company ability to generate cash in the future. B. The company ability to pay dividend and pay its obligation. C. Reason for the difference between net income and net cash generated by operating activities. D. Cash transaction for investing and financing during the reporting period. 4. There are two methods in preparing the cash flow statement, namely the direct method and the indirect method. The difference is how to generate the total net cash from operating activities figure. 5. The statement of cash flow classifies cash receipt and cash disbursement into operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. The following is an image of cash inflow and outflow based on the classification of activities. Can be seen on the screen. 6. There are several sources of information that must be prepared before the preparation of the cash flow statement, namely the comparative balance sheet, the statement of change in operating results, and select transaction data. 7. When many adjustments are required or there are other complicating factors, company often use working paper to collect and classify the data that will appear on the cash flow statement. Working paper is just a tool that helps in the preparation of report. The working paper used usually in the form of software, namely spreadsheet. 8. There are 3 steps in preparing a cash flow statement from this data source, which is A. Determine change in cash. B. Determine net cash flow from operating activities. C. Determine net cash flow from investing and financing activities. 9. The following is the general format used in preparing a cash flow statement using the direct method. Can be seen on the screen. 1. The relationship between activities in the cash flow statement is grouped into 8 cash flow patterns. The following is a table of 8 cash flow patterns and the description of the company due to the cash flow pattern. Can be seen on the screen. 2. Ratio analysis of cash flow statement consists of liquidity ratio and flexibility ratio. The following are the formulas of the liquidity ratio and flexibility ratio. Can be seen on the screen. 3. Free cash flow is the amount of discretionary cash flow a company has. It can use this cash flow to purchase additional investment, retire its debt, purchase treasury share, or simply add to its liquidity. The data used to calculate the free cash flow of cooperative is cash flow from operating activity, capital expenditures, and dividend distribution within cooperative is called the remaining result of operation. The following is the formula for calculating free cash flow. Can be seen on the screen. The objective of this research are A. Prepare a cash flow statement for the X cooperative in 2023 using the direct method. B. Calculate the free cash flow and analyze the cash flow statement of the X cooperative in 2023. The benefit of this research are A. This research is expected to increase knowledge and insight as well as implement accounting theory and science, especially regarding financial statement. B. This research is expected to be used as input and new consideration for the X cooperative in preparing the cash flow statement. C. This research is expected to be able to add information and reference in developing research on the STEM topic for students, especially accounting major who want to study cash flow statement in cooperative. 1. The definition of research method are scientific way to obtain data with specific purpose and use. 2. There are 2 classifications of data, namely according to their nature and according to their source. A. The classification of data according to its nature used in this study is qualitative data, include the history of its development, organizational structure, and existing business file in the X cooperative. And quantitative data include comparative financial position report, income statement, and selected information data. B. Classification of data according to its source used in this study are: primary data include direct interview with the manager of the ex-cooperative about the cooperative profile and information from the financial statement. And secondary data include comparative balance sheet as of December 31, 2022 and 2023, calculation of operating result for the period ending December 31, 2023, and some select transaction data from 2022 and 2023 of the ex-cooperative. 3. There are two data collection techniques carried out in the preparation of this final project, namely A. Interview by asking questions directly to the source, namely the secretary and treasurer of the ex-cooperative. B. Documentation by request historical document required in the preparation of the cash flow statement. 4. The data processing technique used in the preparation of this final project are: A. Preparing various information regarding the preparation of the cash flow statement. B. Calculate the change in the balance on the cooperative balance sheet of the cooperatives as of December 31, 2022 and 2023, which are then adjusted to the calculation of operating results and selected transaction data. C. Classify cash receipt and disbursement. D. Classify cash receipt and disbursement according to operating activity, investing activity, and financing activity. E. Prepare and analyze cash flow statement. F. Calculation free cash flow. G. Making conclusion and analyze result. 5. The data writing technique used in the preparation of this final project are: A. Descriptive by explaining the general direction of the ex-cooperative in the form of a brief victory of the establishment of the cooperative, vision and mission, service product, and organizational structure of the ex-cooperative. B. Exposition by analyze the source of information for the preparation of the cash flow statement of the ex-cooperative. The systematic writing in this discussion of the final project is as follows: Chapter 1, Introductions. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Chapter 3, Research Method. Chapter 4, Analyze and Discussion. Chapter 5, Closing. The schedule of activities in the preparation of the final project is as follows: Title submission is 4 weeks. Proposal preparation is 3 weeks. Preparation, consultation, and revision of Chapter 1, 2, and 3 is 2 weeks. Preparation, consultation, and revision of Chapter 4 is 4 weeks. Preparation, consultation, and revision of Chapter 5 is 2 weeks. Draft is 2 weeks. Well, that's all from my final project proposal presentation. Thank you for your attention, and apology if there are any mistakes in writing or speech. I really appreciate it if there are criticism or suggestions that you give today.